check this out. So I currently record on this really old camera right here, beat up. It's been through literally so much. It's even cracked screen right there. So I record on this and my iPhone 13 Pro Max that you're currently on. I did a little upgrade. We'll see how the quality of the videos go, but got the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's check this out. Has a crazy like 48 megapixel. Let's see how this is gonna be with recording the new videos. Always gotta love a little iPhone unboxing on the channel. Why not? I did get the purple. I do like the Pro colors. I had the green one, the blue one, the black, and I actually got purple. So iPhone 14 Pro Max, video quality, hopefully it's a little bit better. We got a little car part to install today. A little transformation here for the Z. Y'all sleeping on these Modelo Turbo pieces of art here on the wall. Got all of my cars custom made. Perfect gift. I absolutely love these. I'll put the link down in the description if you guys are interested with my coupon code 15% off. This is what you need in your room. I absolutely love it. Soon and very soon, I will install you. Maybe this week. And hopefully, I need to open up the exhaust on the Corvette so bad. Hey, and look at this is the other piece here. Got so much car parts to install. Literally, so many car parts to install. So we have the Corvette here, yellow calipers, black, but we have the red. Kind of sticks out here for me. I don't know about you, I love black and yellow. So I feel like yellow and red is just too much. So that's why I got these bad boys. So let's go ahead and put these stickers on. Hopefully it's an easy install. She is a bit dirty, but we're not gonna be worrying about that today. Today, we're gonna be putting black and yellow on the side, and then for the front and back, we'll stick with the red. So we'll have the front and back end black and red, and then we have both sides black and yellow. I think it's pretty cool. Ultimately, I do want black and yellow all around. Maybe put yellow on these badges. I really like black and yellow for some reason, but for now, let's go ahead and get these bad boys on. It doesn't look too bad. What do you guys think? Black and yellow on the side profiles, black and red on front and back. I like it. It's a lot better. I don't know what it was, but that red Z with the yellow calipers just didn't look right. Now it just accents very good. Comment down below. Don't roast me on my dirty car. I'm gonna wash it after the rain is done. I want to show you guys what else I got here for the Corvette. Extreme Online Store coming in clutch. They did the they sponsored the rear diffusers, the carbon fiber ones that you guys saw not too long ago. That was a huge hit, like 5 million views. They sent the rear diffusers, long tube headers. Long tube headers I hope to do Friday or this weekend, or at least exhaust, at least the axle backs. But to go along here with these fender vents, check this out, look what they sent out. We got carbon fiber fender vents, which is gonna look so good here on the Vet. This is not it. Let me go and show you the rest. They also sent out the carbon fiber rear quarter vents, which are these vents right here. Those guys right there. Got the carbon fiber for that. So we have the fender vents, we have the quarter panel vents, and it doesn't stop there. Let me show you what else they sent. We also got the hood vent from Extreme Online Store. So nice, I cannot wait to install this. That is basically that guy right there. And I believe it's all just the same material, this plastic composite black material. And this is the carbon fiber, of course. And it does not stop there. Let me show you one more piece. They also sent out these carbon fiber rear vents, which is gonna be these guys right here. And don't mind how dirty it is, but we got these carbon fiber, we got the rear vents carbon fiber, we have the quarter panels carbon fiber, the side skirts already came carbon fiber, we have the fender carbon fiber, as well as the hood scoop, all carbon fiber. So the black and carbon fiber theme is looking really good. I'm really excited for these side vents, these fender vents. These fender vents are gonna look so good. So again, huge shout out to Extreme Online Store. I don't know entirely sure when I'm going to be installing this, but I will do it soon. It's so hard to install these trim pieces because you actually have to go through the wheel well. You have to like literally rip this apart, as well as the quarter panel and the rears. So I have to do a lot of trim stuff. I might pick a day and just install it all. I think the easiest is that hood vent, but You can't hate on all this carbon fiber. Again, thank you so much, Extreme Online Store. We'll get to this very shortly. Let's get this cold start in. Nice little workaround. I'm telling you, that yellow, black and yellow looks so mint. She sounds and looks mean. You gotta up that exhaust. I love this rear end. It just looks so good. Welcome back, everybody. I hope you all had a wonderful holidays, happy new year, and a great start to 2023 thus far. I know I have. I've been super busy. Honestly, I wish I could have posted more. I was doing more of like the TikTok stuff, but we're finally going full throttle on this build. I know it's been quite a while, but better late than never. I did pretty much order all the stuff that we have for my project. Let me show you my full plan with this Corvette. I think the overall goal is going to be quite amazing. Let's talk about the plans for the Z06. Probably one of the most anticipated projects for me. I'm really excited to dive into this. So I've been doing lots of research on these C7Zs, and let me tell you, I'm excited. I'm honestly genuinely excited to get into this platform. I'm kind of regret not doing it a little bit early, but these things in the stock form, so much fun. They're so fast, so quick. I love the way it handles. I love the way it brakes. This car is honestly my favorite car as a daily driver, especially with the automatic. Very, very underrated car. But all good things must come to an end, or get even better in this case here, because we're finally starting to mod. So let's go ahead and discuss what we're gonna do here with the Corvette. These Corvettes are so damn pretty. The LT4 supercharged. This thing is going to maximize the potential horsepower that we have here in store. So it does come supercharged, as you guys know, 650 horsepower to the crank. We did get a dynoed, and it only made 500 to the wheels. So lots of improvements that this thing needs to do. Pretty much every single supercharged car has more potential than it already has. With the GT500, it came with that 660 horsepower, 664 horsepower to the crank, but you can actually max out that motor at 1,000 horsepower, which we did without building the internals. All it was cams, supercharger, E85 full bolt-on, and it made 850 to the wheels. So we're gonna be doing something very similar to this car. I talked to a lot of people, and they said full bolt-on will get you about 700 horsepower without having to port the supercharger, having to do any heads. So what I did is I actually ordered a smaller pulley, I believe 2.3, don't quote me on that, we're gonna be doing an unboxing later on, upper and lower pulley, as well as the E85 fuel system here. You don't have to mess with throttle body, you don't have to mess with cold air intake, because those are very minimal gains until you port the actual supercharger. I also have long tube headers, as you guys seen from Extreme Online Store, and I also ordered a lot of supporting mods for the internals, especially when we go with the Stage 2 cam. Yes, we are camming the Corvette. You cannot go without camming a Corvette. A cam in a Corvette goes like peanut butter and jelly, and I cannot wait for this thing to chop. One thing I absolutely love about muscle cars is the way that they chop. I had cams on my 2008 Mustang GT, 2014 Shelby GT500. I have it on my 1965 Cobra. I also got it on the 1968 fastback coyote swap, and now we're doing it on the LT4. So we're going with the Stage 2 cam, and you probably ask yourself, Nate, why aren't you going with Stage 3? Well, Stage 3, you can only get the power gains if you port the supercharger, do the heads, and get a converter. It's pretty much pointless if you don't do that. So yes, you could equip to Stage 3. It's going to be the worst experience because you're always thudding away. So we're going Stage 2. Stage 2 is going to be the most practical, especially here for the daily driver. It's going to give us the horsepower gains that we want. So full bolt-on 85 cam pulley. This thing is going to absolutely rip. I'm hoping about 700 horsepower. I actually ordered everything finally, and it came to about $5,000 for all of the work, including long tube headers, about 6,000, 6,500. That's not including labor or anything like that. I did let you guys know I'm having Uncle Boost, which is a Corvette LSLT guy, and he has done multiple installs. He did my buddy John's ZR1, and why not have him do this? So he has very, very good reputation, and I'm gonna go ahead and have him install it as soon as I possibly can. We'll wait on the parts. They should be coming this week. I'm gonna go ahead and make a video as soon as I possibly get them, and then install, depending on how much they are, we'll determine on how they install. I'm granting this is gonna be about $12,000 project. I've already spent $6,500, so about 6,000 more with this next coming mod to get us to 800 horsepower. You have to open your imagination here with me. So, I've been doing lots of research online, and I've been falling more and more in love with the fact, don't mind the mess, all right, I had to bring these along, with 2 big bottles of nitrous laying here. Like Corvettes, I think they had this purposely to plant bottles of nitrous exactly where we got. I'll go ahead and put some photos of some examples I'm talking about, but I really want to do nitrous on this Corvette. Now you may be asking yourself, Nate, why are you going with nitrous over porting supercharger, doing the heads, or even the turbo system? And let me explain. Yes, we could do the supercharger route, we could port it, we could port the throttle body, we could get larger, colder intake, we could do the heads and do all of that stuff, but to be honest, that's very expensive and has already been done. I want to do something a little bit different here on the channel. So I was actually heading down the supercharger ported, maybe even a Whipple on this thing, and then I leaned into the twin turbo, and then anybody I asked about twin turbo C7Zs was an absolute nightmare. So they recommended not to go twin turbo, and I totally agree, even though I've never done a turbo car. So it was really between the ported supercharger stage 3 route or the nitrous. And to be honest, I haven't done nitrous since my 2008 Mustang GT, and I really want to do it because of this. Let me go ahead and show you what I mean when I'm talking about how much I love purging. We have a quad purge, which I saw this video on Instagram, absolutely insane. I can't tell you how bad I want to do that here with the Z06. I want 1 strain of purge to come out of these fenders. I want 2 strains to come out of the hood vent, and then I want the other strain to come out on the opposite side. So we have a quad purge. I think that would look so nasty, especially with the cam and fire breathing. Yes, I do want to go ahead and do the 2-step as well as a flamethrower kit on the Corvette. I think that's going to be it. I don't want to push too much, because after that, that's when the motor can go, and I do not want to build another motor. It's absolutely a disaster, more than I can go and accomplish, because the Shelby GT500, the coyote swap, so many problems, so much money. I'm gonna keep this one light, max out the stock, and just make it badass. Flames, nitrous, cam, full bolt-on E85. I think it's gonna be absolute killer, and I cannot wait to show you guys. I did lock in some deals for some nitrous. I cannot wait to show you that. I do have the nitrous kit coming on the way. I also installed the full cam. I installed the full fuel system, E85. I do already have the exhaust. I need to get new tires because traction is going to leave the building, but I'm very excited to finally get car out on the road, and I'm gonna be making more videos as soon as I get it. What do you guys think? Stage 2 cam, full bolt-on, flamethrower kit, 2-step, and nitrous. I think it's gonna be pretty badass here with the C7Z06. When it comes to cosmetics, wheels maybe, I might go ahead and try getting my wheels. I really like the stock Z06 for some reason. I absolutely love these. But besides that, it doesn't really need much more. TinyBot also wants to wrap this thing. I don't know about wrapping it. What do you guys think? The only color I would do is a green or maybe like a gunmetal gray, but honestly, I love black. All my cars have been black, so we'll see. Comment down below any suggestions, but that's the plan here for the Corvette. It's gonna be absolutely gnarly. You want to subscribe down below, as well as give it a big thumbs up, because it's gonna be coming fast and we're gonna be doing all this. So I cannot wait to go and show you guys in the next few moments. That's all I have here for you guys to reveal the plans for the Corvette, as well as some little cosmetic mods with the carbon fiber and the yellow Z06, which looks absolutely stunning. So make sure to subscribe down below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for your support. Grab some merch down below if you would like. I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.